In a cozy forest, a tiny green dinosaur named Benny woke up. He stretched his little arms and legs, feeling ready for a new day. Achoo!
A big sneeze sent a leaf flying right off its branch.
Oh!
Benny looked a little embarrassed as a curious rabbit peeked out from behind a bush, wiggling its nose.
Soon, all the forest animals gathered to say good morning.
But just as a friendly squirrel offered him an acorn, Benny felt another sneeze coming. The acorns went scattering everywhere. Benny felt his cheeks turn a little red.
Just then, he spotted a sign that said, "Birthday party today."
It was for the wise old owl, and Benny wanted to help make it special.
He found a small bundle of colorful balloons and decided to help decorate. He held them tightly, but his nose started to twitch again.
Burst at once.
The other animals groaned for a second, but then they started to laugh at the silly, colorful mess. Benny didn't give up. He gathered the popped balloon pieces, which looked like confetti.
He tried to sprinkle them over the party area, but you guessed it. A huge sneeze sent the confetti flying in a giant, chaotic cloud. Just when Benny felt like he couldn't do anything right, a tiny bird flew down and chirped, "Benny, why don't you use your sneezes for something fun?" That gave Benny an idea. He saw a giant, uninflated rainbow balloon lying on the ground.
He carefully positioned the balloon, took a deep breath, and let out his biggest sneeze yet.
Whoosh!
The giant rainbow balloon lifted gracefully into the sky, shining brightly in the sunlight.
All the animals gasped in amazement as it floated perfectly above the party.
Benny sneezed one more time, sending a gentle shower of colorful confetti raining down on everyone.
It was magical.
Just then, the wise old owl arrived and looked up with a happy gasp. The decorations were perfect.
Everyone cheered and danced around Benny, celebrating his clever idea. Benny laughed, shaking his tiny tail, feeling proud and happy. As the sun set, the forest glowed with rainbow light from the balloon, and happy faces were everywhere. Benny curled up under a big tree, smiling as he drifted off to sleep.
Knowing that even a little sneeze could make a big, beautiful difference.